Hello friends, welcome back to Vue.js tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about data binding. Okay, basically in Vue.js, there are many types of binding, many types of data binding. Actually, one-way binding, two-way binding. There have event bindings, attribute or class binding, style binding. Okay, so we'll discuss all the things step by step. So in this video, we are going to discuss about one-way binding. So what is one-way binding? So one-way data binding in Vue.js, that means the data flows in only one direction. From the model, that means JavaScript data, this is the script section, so this is the model. These are JavaScript data and this is the HTML section or Vue data. Means whatever we'll write inside this template section will display. So this is the Vue data, this is the model. Okay, so inside the script all is model, this is the Vue. So from the model to the Vue, this is the one directional, that means it's one-way binding. So what are the purpose of that things? Suppose we have a hello world, right? Now I want to make interpolation or data binding, means I want to make it dynamic. So how we can do this? So inside the export default section, we can define the data. Like other framework, we can define data here. Here simply write data, and here I just going to write a message. Okay, and I just going to write hello Vue. So I declared a variable message inside the model, and I want to display from the Vue. I mean, this is the message, and if I want to display from the Vue, then we can write in this curly braces, then we'll get the same output, means hello Vue Vue from webpack. Okay, so you will get the hello Vue from webpack, means whatever we will write means we will getting display. So we cannot modify that things, we'll just whatever we are getting we can display. So that's the reason we can say these flows are one directional, means whatever we have data in a model, we can bind that things into the Vue. This is the reason why we can say this is the data binding. Suppose this is simple a message, means we have any string type of data. If you want any object, if you want to create, you can create. Suppose let's say another examples, means we have a user information, so simply write user, and here we can define suppose like name John, and we can write age something, age 30. Okay, now if you want to display that things into your application, we can write in this here. So right here is 3 name, and this is the static HTML code. Here write user name, and age is user age. So here you can say the name John and age 30, means if you want to access the internal data or child's data, means from this is the main variable, inside the variable this is the JSON type of variable, so we can access user.name, that means user.name, and we are getting the John. User.age, we are getting the age. So in this way we can write, means whatever we have in model we can get into the HTML view, right? So this is the one-way binding. The syntax is double curly braces open and double curly braces close. So here these things actually called the interpolation. Okay, so this is the things, and if you wrap up that things, so in simple word, what is one-way data binding? So firstly, data flows from the components model to the Vue. It can be changed from the Vue. Okay, and the second things need to remember, it's typically used for displaying static or dynamic data that should not be edited by the user directly. So one-way data binding keeps the flow of data simple and predictable, means whatever we will write in model or whatever declare in model, we can just access. Okay, so making it ideal for display information to users that does not require user input. So that time only we will use the one-way data binding. So next video we are going to discuss about a two-way data binding or both-way data binding. Okay, so this is simple, and we will discuss small topics in each video so that you can understand clearly. And if you get any problems, you can comment me in the comment section. So see you in a next video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.